In this video, let's talk about what kind of 4-tool Chevy wheel adapters are best. Choosing high-quality 4-tool Chevy wheel adapters and selecting the right thickness becomes an important issue. With the wide range of wheel adapters on the market, you need safe wheel adapters to fit your car. Ensure that they work even at high speed and in complex road conditions. You need to choose the right 4-tool Chevy wheel adapters. Wheel adapters are available in two types, one with hub-centric and one without hub-centric. Hub-centric wheel adapters are best suited for your car. Hub-centric 4-tool Chevy wheel adapters can eliminate the possibility of vibration caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Hub-centric 4-tool Chevy wheel adapters are preferred by professional wheel spacer manufacturers and auto parts reviewers over left-centric wheel spacers. You will need to install hub-centric wheel adapters or wheel spacers if the aftermarket wheels have a center hole diameter larger than the diameter of the hub assembly neck. The installation of the hub-centric wheel adapters can provide a higher level of stability. BONOSS wheel adapters have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the adapters to better fit the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration compared to common ones. The multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS wheel adapters makes the installation more fitting and safer. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are expressive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantages of the BONOSS wheel spacers is the active cooling. BONOSS active cooling wheel adapters are designed with heat extraction tools to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat extraction effect and improving road safety. BONOSS always focus on safety and quality. This is why BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel adapters are made of top quality Forged 6061T6 or 0075T6 aluminum alloy. It is worry-free to run such strong wheel adapters.